The country itself is incredibly small, covering just over 2 square kilometers. But within that space exists one of the highest concentrations of wealth anywhere on Earth. Millionaires, billionaires, celebrities, and elite collectors all live within minutes of each other, and when wealth is compressed like this, it becomes impossible to hide. In most cities, luxury stays behind closed doors. Expensive cars are stored in private garages and only brought out occasionally. But Monaco operates differently. Here, visibility is part of the culture. People don't hide their cars. They drive them, and they drive them often.